Alright, this is gonna be the elevator here at the Bilmar Beach Resort in what's the name of this place? In Treasure Island, Florida, and it's in Otis. One of the elevators at Bilmar. Someone could be in it. Oh no. Alright, let's get a cab view. It's a pretty small elevator. There's your door operator rollers and operator, and then here's a view down the shaft. Alright, let's go to one. This used to be a general, but it got modded. Here we are on one. Go to 3. There's a phone there. And here we go. We're on 3. Let's go down to 1. It's a pretty slow elevator. It feels like it travels at like leveling speed. There's your lantern. Alright. Here's a view up the shaft. Alright, let's go up to 3. One more time. This time we'll view the indicator. We'll go to 1, shut the door. Here are your fixtures. They're Series 2 fixtures. 2,000 pound capacity. And we're on 1, button goes out. Send you up. There's your call station. Oh, this is the beach's wing. And there it goes. You can kind of see it. There it goes. That's gonna be it.